So today we're going to do a review of these. These are Raos soups. They were at Costco, but if you don't, you need to read the ingredients because bought these by mistake. And if you look here, these are slow simmered soups, but vegetable minestrone. It looks really good, but if you actually look at the ingredients here, you'll see it actually contains milk and eggs. So there's Parmesan cheese right there at the bottom. So yeah, that's a little bit of disappointing for soup. So yeah, I'll be back. What the soup looks like, I'll put out. So I'll be right back and get it warmed up. Minestrone soup. I'm gonna get a quick taste test right now, just a little bit on the side. So the soup is actually okay. It's not worth the premium. This thing was expensive, so it's not as good as their pasta sauce. It's like a tomato soup base. Yeah, so, but it is chunky there, so, but their pasta sauces are way better. So, all right, stay tuned for more videos, guys.